After logging in, you'll be taken straight to the log fuel consumption screen. First, choose the appropriate category: heavy equipment for equipment tracked by hours, vehicle for equipment tracked by distance, such as kilometers, other for anything that doesn't need hour or distance tracking. Next, select your equipment from the list. If it isn't there yet, tap Add New Equipment to create it. Then select a driver or operator. If you don't need to track who is using the equipment, you can simply create a default driver such as Not Applicable. Enter the fuel details, including the number of liters and, where applicable, the current hour meter or odometer reading. Finally, tap Save Entry. Your fuel log is saved immediately, and you'll see it appear in the history below, giving you a complete record of all your fueling events. Fuel levels and forecasting. After saving a fuel entry, the remaining fuel level is updated automatically and displayed in the top right corner of the screen. Tap the fuel level to open the fuel forecast screen. Here you can see your current fuel balance, average daily consumption, burn down rate, and the estimated date you'll run out of fuel if usage continues at the current rate. Vehicle consumption. You can also view the fuel consumption of each vehicle or piece of equipment. The app calculates values such as liters per hour or liters per kilometer, making it easy to identify unusual fuel usage, missing fuel, or potential data entry errors. Service schedules. Keeping up with maintenance is just as easy. Open management and select service schedules. Any vehicles with upcoming or overdue services will be shown at the top of the screen. When a service is completed, simply record it and add any notes about the work that was done. You can create service reminders based on hours, kilometers, or calendar dates. Choose how often a service is due and set how far in advance you'd like to be reminded so maintenance is never missed. Exporting data. To export your historical fuel data, open Data and Exports from the menu. Select the date range you want to export, then download your fuel logs as an Excel file. The export includes all your fueling events, along with useful information such as fuel consumption and any discrepancies between the pump total and the session liters, making it easy to review your records. Fuel inventory. Managing your fuel inventory is just as simple. To record a fuel delivery, enter the number of liters received and, if you'd like, add notes such as the supplier or the purchase price. You can also configure low tank alerts by choosing the fuel level at which you'd like to be notified. Finally, you can view the complete history of fuel deliveries, giving you a clear record of when fuel was received and how your inventory has changed over time. That covers the core features of Rinnah Fuel. If you have any questions or would like help getting started, feel free to get in touch.